Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, lint-free cloths, and of course, high-quality thermal paste. Make sure you have everything ready before starting the process. First, power off your HP Pavilion 5th-BC 450NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the procedure. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the CPU and GPU. These components are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be different sizes. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently clean off the old thermal paste from both surfaces. Make sure to remove all residue to ensure a proper bond with the new thermal paste. Now it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Before reassembling your laptop, take a moment to clean the interior of the device. Dust buildup can affect performance, so use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal cooling for your laptop. Once everything is clean and the new thermal paste is applied, carefully reattach the heatsink and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Then, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, reinsert the battery, power on your laptop, and monitor the temperatures to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and lifespan. Thank you for following this guide on replacing thermal paste on your HP Pavilion 5th-BC 450NS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.